59th Mountain Brigade Indian Army recovers huge case of arms and ammunition of ancient IM during Operation Kekrunaga in the adjoining of Noni and Tamenglong districts. Residents of Hararo village boycott Rajya Sabha MP KSH Babananda over alleged misappropriation of 35 lakh rupees under MPLADS. Belly bridge above the Itam River at Paknung under Lamlai police station in Imphal East district caves in injuring one truck driver this morning. And RIMS Director Professor A. Santa announces addition of 25 MBBS seats and 8 MS in nursing seats at RIMS from academic session 2019-20. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Evening News, Prime Time English News. I'm Kangsam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. 59th Mountain Brigade under Red Seal Division of the Indian Army has seized huge case of arms and ammunition of National Socialist Council of Nagaland, Isaac Muiba, and Asian IM during Operation Kekrunaga conducted at the adjoining areas of None and Tamenglong districts. The operation was conducted from July 5 to 9. Speaking to media during a press meet organized by Red Seal Division at Imphal Airport Battalion today, Commander Brigadier of 59th Mountain Brigade Raprup Singh gave an insight into Operation Kekrunaga. He claimed that Asian IM broke the ceasefire ground rules, but he did not mention about anything about the ceasefire extension in Manipur. He maintained that reliable sources tip off the army team about presence of the ancient IM cadres in forest near National Highway 37 passing through Noni and Tamenglong districts. The cadres reportedly harassed and carried out extortions from the villagers in the area. Commander Brigadier Raprup Singh stated that acting on a tip-off search operation were conducted since the evening of July 5 at Kekrunaga, which is inhabited by around 90 households 8 kilometers away on the west side of Nungba town. He added that mass combing operations were conducted starting July 6 morning. However, cadres of ancient IM managed to flee after hiding their arms at different locations. Raprup Singh further disclosed that one cadre who tried to camouflage among the villagers was arrested. He stated that the Indian Army handed over the miscreant to Manipur police, but the miscreant, a self-styled private, Thailik Palmai, escaped from the locker room of the police station.
A large quantity of arms, ammunition and warlike stores were recovered during the search operations, which included 4 assault rifles, 2 Lathod guns and a huge quantity of other warlike stores. We also recovered large number of incriminating documents and other administrative stores belonging to NSCNIM. The attempts towards setting up of new camps, fresh recruitments, extortion and tax collection, specifically the 2 lifelines of Manipur, which is the National Highway 2 and the National Highway 37, impacts the ongoing infrastructure work like railway lines and road construction, etc. This approach of NSCNIM is clearly indicative of their insincerity in implementing of ceasefire ground rules.
Indian Army की 59 Mountain Brigade की मौका थकी बदुम लवा जुलाई की तंग मंगा दगिन अपन फावस थकी ऑपरेशन दा तोंगान बखुजुगुलाई क्या मा फर खिबा दुनि जिक मियाम उबिरी बसी Indian Army की दुमबा खोगी अखनबा ऑपरेशन अदुदा फागला खिबा खोगी फंगमंगम खिबा एनेशन IM गिनी हाइबा कुसुकुलाई मियाम मसने हाइबा कुसुकुलाई सिंगसिदा 7.62 mm SLR rifle number ama aduga G3 rifle ama M16 rifle with magazine ani Lathod guns ani M16 ammunition chamaga Nipumari AK-47 ammunition Kunngataret 7.62 mm ball Chanipanga Marfutaret safety fuse taruk Kenwood ahum telescope sight ama backpack aduga magpack solar plate chingma tongan ba kaya ma myam hujik u phangbiri aduga tongan ba khoi gi nation IMB kadar sing season ba uniform sing hai tare myam na ubiri ba se aduga maruina lethot ki ammunition sing chum myam hujik u phangbiri aduga hari ba makoina lerem ba pham ase khoi gi kekru nagra hari ba khoi gi none gi taming longa ne none ga khoi gi thangna ba sokto le pham ase dagi du hari ba operation adu da NSN IMB kadar ma su pha bangam khi du hari ba NSN IMB kadar do khoi gi Imphal police station dagi nan thokhi bai pawdi myam na khangna khre du hojik fawda thi bagi langal langjin du karmai thari gi hai bu di yamna chawba wang amadi ori camera person Yohan Galone Pramjari by Kitamin Premchan, Impact News, Imphal.
Residents of Hararo village have socially boycotted Rajya Sabha MP KSH Babananda over alleged misappropriation of 35 lakh rupees under MP Local Area Development Scheme. They have imposed a ban on carrying out any works initiated by the MP in the village. The social boycott was announced during a public meeting organized jointly by Village Development Committee Hararo, Youth Modern Club Hararo and Nupi Samgat Sagat Loop Hararo at Ima Nungten Tlaimakaitelt in the village today. Speaking on the occasion, advisor of the Youth Modern Club Hararo, Nongthomam Dizen asserted that claims that welfare works worth 35 lakh rupees under MPLA-DS were initiated in Hararo village by Rajya Sabha MP KSH Babananda is beyond truth. He said that the boycott was called as the MP failed to clarify on the claim within the deadline given by the villagers, which is today. Dizen also demanded the state government to accord befitted punishment to all those involved in the controversy, alleging that the anti-corruption cell opened by the BJP-led state government chose to ignore the misappropriation carried out by the BJP state president. Dizen further announced ban on all activities initiated by the BJP in Hararo village. The protesters chanted various slogans against the MP.
MP Local Development Fund, Rajya Sabha MP ki Fundagi Semgani Haidana program mayama Toga. Lupa la kuntra mangangi program mayam si hojik amatta semdana paisa si kaitho khre haidana press media da yauruk padi ekoi thigasur ba ekoi na press ta kaida madu sengdok piu haidana matam tha lakpa se ngasi matam loire hairiba kaitho khriba sembam sing ado yamna athu matam da honorable MP Rajya Sabha Mr. Babananda na puraga harau khungchi sembiraro aduna taba targadi ngasi habu numisi dagi MP Rajya Sabha gi MP honorable MP Mr. Babananda ngasi dagi khungang ngasi changba yaru social boycott tawre hairiba thabak sida chenariba official sing West ki Imphal West ki DC oisunu nata dia gi any staff khuding huji paliba lengakshina BJP ki president sen chathokre haidana hairaba phawbuda khungja singna sengdokpiu haidana laudana leiraba si phawbuda tasinu sinadana anti corruption cell lingini corruption muthakadorini haibagi wan thok lehelakta singba BJP government gi thabak tharun khuding maksu harar khungaksidagi kudaktigi thingjalle.
The Belly Bridge above the Itam River at Paknung near ITI under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal district collapsed this morning around 7:30 when a deeper truck loaded with sand was crossing it. Driver of the vehicle bearing registration number MN07C3988 was sustained serious injury and has been hospitalized. Villagers in the area stated that the bridge was very old and its collapse has prevented connectivity to Kangla and other important places. They appealed to the authorities concerned to repair the bridge at the earliest. Kurai MLA El Susindro Elias Yaima has inspected the condition of the broken bridge. Director of RIMS Professor A. Santa has announced an increase of 25 MBBS seats and 8 MSc nursing seats at RIMS from academic session 2019-20. Speaking to media at RIMS Conference Hall today, Professor Santa stated that the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare gave the approval to add 25 MBBS seats over the existing 100 seats starting this year. He mentioned that out of the 25 MBBS seats, 11 seats are reserved for economically weaker section, 10 seats are for unreserved category for Northeast states excluding Assam, and 4 seats are for unreserved category All India. While for the 8 MSc nursing seats, 4 seats are for medical surgical nursery and nursing and 4 seats for community health nursing. The RIMS director also declared that BAc, MLT and BAc Amazing technology courses will be offered at RIMS this year onwards.
From this current academic section, that is 2019 and 20, the number of the MBBS seat at RIMS Imphal is increased from 100 to 125 per annum. That out of the 25 seat increase, there will be 11 seats reserved for economically weaker section. 10 seats are for unreserved categories. In this regard, Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare has issued necessary directive from 11 July.
Kurai MLA El Susindro condemned the minister concerned for remaining silent on the ongoing issue regarding non-distribution of food grains under NFSA scheme to beneficiaries of Kurai constituency. He demanded the minister concerned to step down from his post for his irresponsibility. Speaking to media at his residence near Kurai Tinsit Road today, MLA El Susindro asked if he is going to be blamed for the misappropriation of 53.95 quintal of rice in the constituency till date. He claimed that misappropriation of around 15 quintals of rice every month for Kurai constituency came to light when food grains quota released by District Supply Officer Imphal East on January 2019 was compared with the quota released by the new DSO after payment of necessary bills yesterday. MLA Susindro claimed that around 53.95 quintal of rice grains for April to August of 2017 and September of 2018 have been misappropriated. The MLA demanded the authority concerned to clarify the matter at the earliest.
Quintal Yankee .95 sina kanana puga kadoino sisu MLA na lowe na haigadoribra haibase masi ai hangningi aduna masigi thodok adok chawna thoiba thodok seisa tumina election ba haibase responsibility yaudraba minister ne na hainingeba maramdi kaigino haimatanda suguma mayam singi yengsanba na mabu minister hapaga suma mayam singi yengsandana leiba haibase responsibility yaudraba minister na kaidubugi minister oiningibano haibase masini akoin thamjaningi je aduna masi masina maram orakanda akoi Manipur gi ai kendra khatagi wa tokpiro Manipur punamaki oina quantity sumaina macha macha kai se loyama koi hainingai lekte sondadi kendra dadi praja ichinlau jina sumaina cheng sudre cheng wale cheng pidre na lawe ada suna ganda piri wale ba quantities di kilo mom pabiro kayano.
Socialist Women Association SWA Manipur stays a sit-in at Singzamai Mayengbam Laikai demanding for a CBI probe into the existing scarcity of food grains in the state today. The protesters also demanded the minister concerned to resign from his post and to award befitting punishment to all those involved in misappropriation of food grains. Taking part in the sit-in, SWA General Secretary S. Bizenti urged the government to check the ever-increasing price of food grains and ease the plights facing the people in the state.
Huzik sinmisingna khwaidigi wana thengnariba chaitheng asi chengni card holder amada lupa ahum da kg da lupa mari phangi adubu market value da leijage na tanaruba matam darigi kg da lupa 30 gi mathak da phangi asugumba maman manada na phangiba posak asina maram oraga lairaba sinmisingna awaba chaitheng phangi maram aduna praja miyam singsina awaba thengnariba khudingmak singase huzik paliba lengak asina khitang mieng changbiduna mamalase yengthen biragadi athuba matam da lairaba sinmi kya mating pibirakadra haina khanbadi ngasi wakan mifam phamjabani ani subanupi lanchu chengini aduga ahum subanupi lan gi damakta chu hoji ahanba mifam masina baton tawba amaga tap managa loina baga loina na ngasi wakan mifam masi phamjabani.
People have urged government to repair the deplorable condition of Naremthong DC Road, also known as DIC Road or Cooperative Road. They complained that the road has been left ignored since the last 10 years. Students of Institute of Cooperative Management ICM also expressed their plights in commuting on the road to reach their institute.
Mina kanam changbi dribra changi bra khangde bungong asi sumai tau lai ji ngang bu chu kaya haite ima je ko ten gi je masi tan nate khoi gi melo to bazar chali ba melo se masi khwai gi hena na tai cha dre
adu asi lambi se koi ICM lambi ni nong khai tang chu re de koi chat pa ya dan lai re skun ka problem achawba mo re duna ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕ
ꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯔꯤꯝꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯔꯣꯝꯗꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯗꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯅ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯩ ꯅꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯁꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯠꯄꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ.
Members of all Manipur government-aided school teacher staged a protest demonstration demanding 2010 ROP 6P and to fill of vacant teachers' posts of the aided schools today. Taking part in the sit-in stays at Kaisampatla Mizamplaikai Community Hall, spokesperson of all Manipur government-aided school teacher T.H. Jering warned of intense agitation if their demands are not met by the government.
Hojik Pawada government masigi akhoi kenoji tabidaba haitare tabidabadagi ngasigi akhoi sit-in protest pangthokjabani hojik lakadoriba assembly mifamjigi mangoina phamgadoriba cabinet mifamjida karigumba akhoi gi ROP 2010 amadi hangdun leiba vacancy postingi DPC se tawbidaba taragadi akhoi makha taba akanba khongjang kayamuk changhalakani.
Secretary of the Khwairamband Nupi Kaitheld, Sinfom and Saktam Kanbarup, T.H. Rani warned the government of intense agitation if the order released by IMC Mayor T.H. Lokeshwar to open offices of three-man associations on the upper part of Khwairamband Imam Kaitheld is not cancelled within July 15. Speaking to media at the Loop's office in Khwairamband Market today, T.H. Rani expressed disappointment that the Chief Minister has failed to take action on the order even after meeting him personally by the women vendors.
I am still a mayor, Amadi, elected person, Mamsina, Maggie Matam, the Kaitengi Pivum Paganaba, Honabagi Mahuta, Masamasagi Marnai Sandalpum, on Tokana Kaitense, Lambini Katin, Habi cannibalization of Treva. Government district Kutimokina, Lupaka Zanga Katin Sariba. Adoka Sariba Katin Zida, me and the Pandraga, Impulse has the district Kutimokila, Popam Punam Pigat of Habidi, line of Babunga Moida Tabaneva. The Lamiba, Tangtangagi Manunda. Handak chaliba thasigi tangtang abu mangda IMC mayona mana thoiba organization kharagi order du athuma tamda kaptuna thabak oino onthok tragadi mai mathakta koi khongjang jangsin abu jusem sadhana le.
Over and above the existing petition filed at the Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly to disqualify Wangoi MLA Oinam Lukhoi from his MLA post, one Basantakumar has also filed a similar petition at the Tribunal Court. Impact News sources said that the Speaker's Tribunal Court has notified MLA Lukhoi to give his response on the petition on July 27. It may be mentioned that there is a pending petition at the Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly demanding disqualification of 8 MLAs who defected to the BJP from the Congress party. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on action for greening Manipur's Grow 1 Million Avocado Trees Project 2019-21. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Ambassador for Action for Greening Manipur, AZM Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, Adim Pame, launched AZM's Grow 1 Million Avocado Trees Project 2019-21 at Kuki Inn today. Speaking at the event, Adim Pame stated that avocado is a health beneficial fruit which can substantially boost farmers' income. He asserted that AZM is gearing up to set up an avocado processing unit worth around 24 crore rupees in Manipur. He mentioned that 100 avocado saplings each will be planted in 5,000 households for the first phase of the project. Adim Pame assured that the society will provide free food grains every 4 months for the 5,000 families for the 3 years until the avocado saplings grow into maturity and start bearing fruits. He also assured that avocado farmers will not face any marketing problems. Certificates were distributed to avocado farmers of Tamenglong district on the occasion.
$5,000 family की कुमसी चाहिए से कोई beneficiary पी गने अब 5,000 family into 100 avocado tree 5,000 into 100 each imum amana avocado पानी चाम से हाउ दो बने अब हाउ दो भैया रोए हाउ शीब तार अमुक replace तो अमुक था भी दो बने 3 years कोई ना consecutively 3 years मुकोई imum नुगे according to the family members me truk ebra ꯇꯔꯦꯠ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯡꯁꯤ 3, 4, 12 ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯂꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯃꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ 3 ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯅ ꯐꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯋꯥꯠꯍꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯕꯀꯦꯗꯣ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯤ imung khudingni aduna ngasisi.
Agriculture Minister V. Hankaliant will address grievances of farmers of Manipur Valley on July 16. The minister today sought IR64 Tampa PD seats at the community nurseries under the Agriculture Department at the complex of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Thobal. Joint Director of Agriculture Department, L. Ibotont, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Kaidemt, RK VY Nodal Officer, L. Gosendro, DAO Thobalt, Lemba and KVK Thobal Head, Dr. S. Jes Marani, accompanied the Agriculture Minister. The team inspected the modified Met Nursery and Depok Nursery set up in the complex with an aim to provide paddy saplings to farmers of the state. Speaking to media, Minister V. Hankalian stated that the initiative was taken to help farmers of the state in the wake of scanty rainfall. He stated that paddy seeds sown today will be ready for distribution to farmers within 15 to 20 days. Minister V. Hankalian reiterated that the Agriculture Department has sufficient stock of subsidized fertilizers which will be provided to farmers through DAO concerned of the respective districts. He also said that water pumps will be distributed to farmers.
16th of July da district khuding Imphal East, Imphal West, Thobal, Bishanpur, Valley gi district khuding da chatlaga farmers singa interact togani makhoi gi awaba transplant gi nursery gi awaba leibra karamai sol toba jaga dabage aduga ising na marang ka na lagtabani na pam na chingba jaba area karam ba lege pam su darkha leiba area da dum huzik su pire pibasu adum continue togani huzik sufficient stock phajana thami adum oinamak distribution Jenba maong si khara laladi sufficient oirak loidoba district mari se cover toraga makhoi gi awaba kare mateng athuba matamda department asina pangba jaga dabagi habdu jenga ga pangnan ba togi haina.
Speaking to media, SMS of KVK Thobalt Agronomy Namirang Tomba stated that modified Met Nursery and Depok Nursery are met using scientific techniques and will be beneficial to farmers in times of both floods and droughts. He stated that farmers need not worry for this year's harvest as IR64 Tampa paddy seeds sown today will be ready in 15 to 20 days for planting by early August. Tomba also mentioned that paddy seeds were sown in 5-acre land each in Laurembam, Hinzam Kunaut, Alang Kangpopi and Sukno.
Khoi lami sil nau sing nasu hariba system sing se khoi kano tong sin ane ba hotna bi bagal na akhoi gi krishi bigan kendra gi lairi ba khoi gi department gi makha tawjari ba lohon si gi farmer isi nau sing na masi horen matam chara ba kan lobi dana masi thana ba sinbi ba khoi gi lairi ba saina atop khungang sing da haijak si do khoi bi laiba farmer sing nasu madugi khutong sa ba do lobi raga khoi gi mai gi lo ngon na palam khon matam chana palmang amhauda ba ai thenga kan pan ba yana na ba khoina sinjari ba khoi gi bhogi variety sing maroi tampa phau IR64 se masi lawraga thawi ba kan da thoidona khoi pothok ta adegi magi matam da thoidona theng da bra haina khallaga maduma pakhacha program ni.
Seizing opportunity of rainfall in the last couple days, eager farmers sowed paddy seeds on 300 acre of paddy land in Nompok Laurembam to Thobal district today. Paddy seeds were also sown at paddy fields in Laurembam, Ukhongsang, Samusang, Salungfom. Speaking to media, Pradhan nominee of Laurembam Gram Panchayat, Khoiram Sanakumba, urged the authorities concerned to take measures to provide irrigation in the area where no river flows.
Turia laitaba ithai lakong laitaba sin marum mo kan da khoi sum samasya se tholopune aduna akhoi gi simamang da khoi gi dam sabe ya jaga sing dam sabira kan da ithai lakong laitaba labuk sigong labuk lauremam labuk kongjang labuk salung labuk lopori chami changwang leibase lo singbu yana dongta saka magedegi tobiragadi praja khoi gi awab se kokne haba wakumdu masigi medai thongda khoi thamjari.
An orientation program for school students on the topic awareness on disabilities was held at Barodan Maxwell Primary and High School, Thangal Bazar today. National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Divyajyant NIE PID, Secunderabad Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, in collaboration with State Commissioners for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Manipur, and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, organized the event. Speaking at the event, Assistant Professor, Pediatrics of NIE PID, Secunderabad, Dr. G. Mary Anurupa stated that the orientation programs as a part of the continuous efforts of Divyajyant NIE PID Secunderabad and the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities to raise awareness on disabilities. She mentioned that they have been holding trainings and awareness programs for children with intellectual disabilities in association with relevant state departments since the last 10 years. Dr. Anurupa also mentioned that various teaching and learning materials have been provided to these students and assured for the same in future.
Where we want to enlighten the children on how to identify the disabilities at early stage and how should be their approach to the children with disabilities and how do they react to the children with disabilities. Along with me, we have also come as a team with the occupational therapist and the special educators giving various inputs to the various children regarding how should they know about these disabilities and how do they identify them.
For the workshop on teaching methodology, question setting and evaluation organized jointly by Manipur Recognized Private School Welfare Association and Board of Secondary Education Manipur concluded today. The workshop was held at Standard Robert Higher Secondary School in Kajipur since July 9. Attending teachers and resource persons were felicitated with certificates in the valedictory event held at the school campus. Academy of Indigenous Music aimed Bamul Kampu Mayai Laikai showcased Gauranga Lila at Sri Mandant Mohanji Mandir in Kongba Khetri Laikai today. The event was held under the initiative of Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of M. I. Shyamchan expressed disappointment that indigenous cultural events are being devalued in the state. He asserted that the event aimed to highlight the value and significance of Gauranga Lila to the upcoming generations. Retired Director of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Padma Sri Guru S. Tanil, Retired Director of Art and Culture, K. Sushila, and member of Bamun Kampu Jila Parishad, Golmai Kachung, graced the event. Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front in a press release clarified that 52-year-old Mayang Langbom Premila, wife of late M. Naubi from Kachikult Mamangklekai under Patsoi Police Station, arrested recently as suspicion of being a PLA cadre by a combined team of Imphal East District Police Commando and 5th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, has no connection whatsoever with RPF or its Red Army People's Liberation Army PLA. A new artist gallery was opened at Lalambung Makhong, Takelambam Blekai, Grims Road today. Speaking on the sidelines, owner of the gallery, R.K. Tomba urged people to visit the newly opened gallery where a range of greeting cards for all occasions and gifts items are available. 10 former BJP members and 1 Congress worker have joined the NEIDP. They were accorded a warm reception by NEIDP Manipur President Dr. N.G. Bijoy at NEIDP office in Terasapam Lairak today. The former BJP members includes Chandal District BJP SD Morcha President K. Prakash Maring, Secretary S.H. Akning Joy, former General Secretary of BJP Technopol Mandal D.K. Moses Maring, and Joint Secretary of BJP SD Morcha Technopol K. Antony. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 59 Mountain Brigade, Indian Army recovers huge cache of arms and ammunition of Indonesian IM during Operation Kekru Naga in the adjoining of None and Tamenglong district. Residents of Hararo village boycott Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhavananda over alleged misappropriation of 35 lakh rupees under MPLADS. Delhi Bridge above Itam River at Phaknung on the Lamlai police station in Imphaltis district caves in injuring one truck driver this morning. And RIMS Director Professor A. Santa announces addition of 25 MBBS seats and 8 MSc nursing seats at RIMS from academic session 2019-20.